Hey, and thanks for watching. So today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be doing a heatless curl pixie cut tutorial, and I'm going to be using perm rods. The last time I did a heatless curl tutorial was a couple years ago. And to begin, I'm just going to wash my hair with my ORS olive oil, the creamy aloe shampoo, and the replenishing conditioner. These are my go-to shampoo and conditioner when all my expensive stuff is done. So I buy this from Walmart and just wash my hair with it, and I do love it. So let's get started. I've been wanting to do a heatless curl tutorial for a while now, and went and got some perm rods, 18 count. I got this set from Walmart, and these are the purple and pink ones. I never used perm rods before. I got 2 packs, so I have 36 of them, which should be good. And these are the short ones because my hair is short. I always use like flexi rods to do like a little more tighter curl in my hair when I don't want to use the hot curl. So excited to see how this comes out. I'm gonna be using my Nairobi to do my mold, and then I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Put-in Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream because I still have it. I don't really use it. I'm going to put this on before I put my hair into the perm rod. So if you want to see how I'm going to get this look, please continue to watch. So I'm just going to start off by doing my mold. I already combing out how I want it to do, and it's going to be like in the mohawk style. So I'm gonna do waves on the sides and in the back, and then I'm gonna do the curls up on top, in the middle going backwards like this. So it's gonna be upwards. And yeah, guys, my postpartum shedding has decreased. I have a little bit of regular shedding, nothing too big. You guys probably can't see that, nothing too big, but I think it's really slowed down, and I'm so happy. But my hair still look nice and full. I mean, I did cut it like 2 weeks ago now. I went and I got it done. It's relaxed, so I'm about 2 weeks post relaxer. Okay, now I'm gonna just take my little handheld mirror here that I have here, and try and fix up the back to have a good amount of waves going on. That will be nice and wavy and curly. So that's what I'm about to do right now and try my best. I like how the sides came out very nice and wavy and beautiful. So let me do the back and show you guys how I want to put it. When you say I'm the one you're so easy to love, you're easy to love. So these are the Conair perm rods. I love Conair, so I hope these work nice. So here are the look. This is the pink and the purple. I put on my wrap cap because my hair kind of curling up. So I put on a wrap cap to hold it down on the sides and in the back. So now I'm just gonna start on the top and start putting in the oh, my hair's so curly. Look at that. Even I just add a little more water to it because hair kind of dry out. Like, you could actually go under the dry if you want to, but you could actually leave it air dry as well. So I can just add a little bit of this to the top too. Oop. Just add a little bit throughout, not no whole heap. I'm gonna put the smaller ones in the back. So I'm basically gonna start at my crown. Well, this is my crown hair, but a little behind the crown, and just pick up pieces of hair and then just go around. And then when I finish, I'm gonna look in the mirror and see if I could clean it up a little bit more. So this custard, this pudding, not custard, is anti-frizzing as well. And if you guys hear any stuff in the background, that's Delina. I have her in her crib on the monitor right here next to me. She's supposed to be going to sleep because I just feed her and change her and put her down for her nap. So this one I'm going backward with it because I don't want it to cover the back. So I'm going backward. And she a little fussy, so I may have to get up and go deal with her. Yeah, so she about to cry, so I won't get up. So that's the first one back there. Okay, so let me do some more. I'll do about two more purple up in here, going backward, and then we're gonna start with the pink. Okay, so this how far I reach. To me, I just don't feel like they tight enough. Like, it's so loose. Like, I don't know, I don't really like them, but we're gonna see how it come out, if this a fail or what. But so far I don't really like putting them in until I find like a different technique. But here's how we're looking so far. I'm gonna go back in and tighten up some, but when I'm done, and then I'm gonna have to air dry because I have to go pick up my husband from work, so I'm gonna have to air dry. So I can just do finish up the front and then I'm gonna head out. So these I'm gonna go backward with them. And I'm gonna put purple ones. So I have to hurry up because I don't want to be late for him. Here, move, there, move, everywhere, move, move, McDonald's, have fun. Yeah. At least with the flexi rods, I could twist them and put them how tight I want them. These are just retarded. So I'm gonna put my bonnet. I'm gonna go grab my husband real quick and come back and show you guys the final look. If it works, if it don't work. But I really don't like them so far because they're not getting tight, or I don't have the technique. Sorry about that. Or I don't have the technique to put them tight yet. I need to do some more research and see how women doing it, but I took a quick look on YouTube and they're just doing it basically like how I do it, unless I have mine's too big, which I don't think they're too big for my hair because they're short. I don't know. Yeah, so let me go get ready, head out, give it air dry. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day, so I did want to sleep with my hair like this and it's dried. Of course it air dried. I didn't use any heat at all because once I came back from picking up my husband, I had to deal with the baby and stuff like that, so I just leave it, tie down my bonnet and I let it air dry, which is a good thing, which is what I'm looking for, to have it, you know, no heat at all. And that's what I was trying to do, these what you call them, perm rods, but I don't think it's gonna come out good. Like, I just don't feel like they up to par with like using the flexi rods. I don't know, so I'm gonna take them out now and see how it came out, but I really don't think it gonna look too good. Oh my goodness. So here's how it's looking. I still have like my waves and stuff to the side. I'm gonna just freshen them up because I slept on my hair, you know. So I'm gonna just start from the back. Like, some of them will done fall out too. Like, they were just falling out, like sliding out. I don't know. And I even watched another tutorial where the girl says she did twist the rubber band, but it wasn't coming tight for me. So I don't know. I really had high hopes for them, but I don't think me and these things is friend. So let me just take them out so you guys can see. At least my curls will be really small. I think once I put on the bonnet, it had kind of bring it together, like tight. But this is a nice way to not have to use heat in your hair, especially if your hair is getting break from you putting heat in it all the time. See how tight it is? I believe this one come out good. Yep, see? Okay, so this is a coconut oil that I use. I get it from Walmart. It's Spectrum Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. So I can just like have like oil on the palm of my hand. Of course you can't see. And just rub it in my hair. Pat it to the top. Just to get rid of some of the frizz, like back here. Let's see. Right, mama? I'm gonna get rid of some of this frizz, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Nairobi foaming lotion, and I go freshen up my back. I don't think the back. I gotta look for my mirror to see the back. Where you going? Where you going? I'm gonna try not to pick it out too much so it don't be too frizzy. So I'm gonna start from the back and work my way to the front. I'm just taking the end of the rat tail comb and taking it out. And as I pick it out, I just pat, and this is gonna like form the shape that I want. So I'm just picking it out and shaping it, guys. As you can see, the curls are coming out really nice, small and tight, so it's gonna last a good while. The effect that it's giving me is the tapered pixie look, like the tutorial I did before with the flexi rod. So it gave me that tapered look, like my hair natural on top with a lot of tight curls. So I like that as well, and I think it was easier to sleep in than the flexi rods, but I just don't like that they didn't get tight like how I wanted them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you learned anything, and please stay tuned for the next tutorial coming up right after this. See you over there.